So we're at a place called Jerryville. What is it? I don't know. North of the Lands Event Park. So we got food trucks and car show, and that's what we're here for. We don't have too many cars yet, but hopefully they'll be coming soon. Look at this. These are the ones with oil for a filter. Probably my favorite of the meat. Willys with a Super Hurricane engine. Oh yes. One of my favorite colors, yellow, which fits pretty much for a show car. Immaculate Monte Carlo with the right stems.
Yeah. We're doing pretty good.
Gentlemen put a 383 great engine.
Me too.
And a Chevelle with a 396. 1968 Plymouth Fury. Got a Mopar Performance 40 modern interior. I don't know where he got it, but it looks pretty nice. Laid down paint fairly well. New convertible vinyl top. (1932) Ford with a mouse motor, 350. Charger at 68. Look at that beautiful gas port. Rough ride with a fuel cell. What about this? It's a big Oldsmobile 88. Immaculate. Oldsmobile Rocket. Back in the day, that was the engine to have. Kind of small show. You got about maybe 15 to 20 cars, and every single one is unique.